You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase, the name of this type of extraction that uses a Soxhlet apparatus named after, I believe, a German scientist, pronounced as Soxhlet extraction. Some say it as Soxhlets, that's if you spell it with an apostrophe S. Soxhlet is essentially the name of the scientist, so the Soxhlet extraction. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.